Hi, I'm James, and in this video we're taking a look at the Dell Inspiron 14-inch 5406 2-in-1 convertible laptop, and specifically we are looking at the battery life of this system. I have done a first impressions video which you can find linked to in the description below, but I didn't touch too much on how I found the battery life of this machine. Having the chance to run some formal tests on it and also use the laptop for a few weeks, I'm now in a position where I'm happier to sort of comment on that. For this testing, we've used our own battery life monitoring tool with a couple test scenarios that I have created, Cinebench R15 and a HTML5 web browsing test. And these just run on a loop, and in both cases the laptop was tested with 50% brightness and the standard Dell power profile. So first up, we have our web browsing test, and this was done just by using the latest version of Chrome Portable and some basic HTML5 test pages. Like I say, 50% brightness on the screen, and this just looped through these pages at 10-second intervals, taking the battery from a 95% charge down to 75%, and then the total runtime was extrapolated from there. Bringing up this graph, we can then see that our predicted runtime would be just over 6 hours. So this does represent a fairly active workload. It is constantly producing these moving pages. There is no rest time in it. So it's possible that you would see more than this in light usage. But I would say from my use, around 6 hours is typical of what I would expect from this laptop. Following this, I also tested the laptop with Cinebench R15, and this was running on a continuous loop. And again, we can see, so obviously the battery life here is going to be significantly shorter because the processor is under full load basically the whole time. But even so, we are looking at a runtime of over 3¼ hours. So this would be representative also if you were looking at gaming, 3D rendering, video editing, and so on. This is with the laptop with the smaller 42 watt-hour battery, and I may look again at this if I purchase the larger 53 watt-hour to try fitting into the laptop. One last thing which I did have the opportunity to test was the laptop works great with USB-C charging. I tested it with both the Dell 45 watt standard power adapter, however, and my Anker 65 watt power adapter, both directly and through the 7-in-1 USB hub and HDMI adapter that I use with it, and found there was no difference in charging time between the 65 watt USB-C or the standard 45 watt charger. Both charged at the same rate, so using that higher power charger doesn't give any advantage in charge times. It's purely a convenience for being able to use the USB-C. I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments below if you found it helpful. Any questions you want to ask, please post them. Hit like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you'd like to see more as we post them. Thanks for watching.